You know what, Ahalya? All these performances make me want to come on stage and dance all over again.
Why? So we can get some more coins from the crowd?
Hey, you're still angry about that?
Of course I am. You made us beg for coins.
Okay, you know what? The next song that we're going to have, it's a dance. It's perfectly apt for our situation. It's Shah Rukh Khan trying to cheer up an angry Kareena Kapoor.
Oh yes, the next performance is on the song Ore Kachi from Ashoka.
Yes, you're right, you got it. And it's going to be performed by Anjana, Harsha, Tanvi, Adit, Shreya, Sai, Shravan, Sneha, Abhay, Abhirami, Harun, Sohan, and Suhita. And this dance is choreographed by Ms. Shubha Rajgopal.
You know, that's a lot of angry Kareena Kapoors.
But I'm sure the Shah Rukh Khans are gonna make up. Come on.
Let's see. So give it up for them.
Good luck, Shah Rukhs.
ओरे काची काची की गुड़िया होठों में बांधे प्रेम की पुड़िया ना से खोले ना मुंह से बोले पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले ना से खोले ना मुंह से बोले पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले
सुनिया 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 मिस्री से मीठी आंखों में बंद है बात रसीली हाँ ना उन्हें खोले ना मुंह से बोले पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले ना उन्हें खोले ना मुंह से बोले पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले झूम चमेली झांझर वाली झूम चमेली झांझर वाली
पहाड़ी पार चलना है तो पर्वत हटा दूं घटाओं में कहीं छुपना है तो सावन बुला दूं
महुआ महुआ महका 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 महुआ महुआ
पहाड़ी पार चलना है तो पर्वत हटा दूं घटाओं में कहीं छुपना है तो सावन बुला दूं
कोई उड़ता हुआ पंछी बता देगा ठिकाना जहाँ से दिन निकलता है उसी टीले पे आना महुआ महुआ महका 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 महुआ महुआ
ओरे काची काची की गुड़िया होठों में बांधे प्रेम की पुड़िया ना से खोले ना मुंह से बोले पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले
सुनिया सुनिया मिस्री से मीठी आंखों में बंद है बात रसीली हाँ ना उन्हें खोले ना मुंह से बोले पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले Well, I must say, all the Kareena Kapoors look very happy. So good job, King Khans.
So, does that mean even you are no longer angry at me?
Bala, are you in some weird, twisted way trying to imply that you're Shah Rukh Khan?
Hey, Ahalya, हम एक बार जीते हैं एक बार मरते हैं शादी भी एक ही बार होती है और प्यार
वो तो तुम्हें बार बार होता है हर लड़की के साथ, तो चुप रहो।
नहीं।
यस।
नो।
And 1 second, was this another of your please throw me some quarter stunt?
Hey, I told you, I'm a grad student. Okay.
A cheap
okay,
one?
You know what? You know what? I've had this from you. You have been nagging me all these performances, and now what I'm gonna do is introduce the next performance in a normal way. So the next performance is going to be a musical one by
No.
Jessil, Wahida,
No, no.
and Vijay. What?
Wait.
What?
I asked you not to be cheap, but our job here is to get the crowds enthusiastic about the performance.
Yeah.
And you're totally killing it, especially about this performance. I mean, the singer who's going to come up now, if she left you dumbstruck with her previous performance, this is just going to completely mesmerize you.
You know what? You know
what?
what? You know what? I think she has been bribed. You have been bribed, haven't you been bribed?
Well, not exactly bribed, but the singer is my close friend, so...
Oh, yeah. See, I knew it.
What?
Free publicity.
Hey, it's for friendship. And you know, Bala, we can keep going on like this, and that's not why they paid for the ticket. So let's empty the stage soon.
Sorry, guys. Sorry,
Before
guys.
they pelt us with actual coins and stones and everything that's close by.
Okay, in any case, you guys are planning to pelt us with coins. Please make sure they are quarters, and we can do our laundry tomorrow.
You
Thank
know,
you
don't
very
listen
much.
to him. Just have a great time and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you, everybody.
चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो, मैंने सुन लिया कि साथी प्यार का मुझे चुन लिया, मैंने सुन लिया।
पहला नशा पहला खुमार नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाथ है दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता पहला नशा पहला खुमार उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं एक कर दूं आसमान और जमीन कहो यारो क्या करूं क्या नहीं पहला नशा पहला खुमार नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाथ ऐ दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता पहला नशा पहला खुमार
Thank you.